Hi everyone, Tristan here from Machine Control Australia. Welcome to an MCA tutorial on horizontal offsets on Makin’3D. Let's take a look at horizontal offsets. So if we have a look here on this model, you can see I'm on the edge here. Alright, if I want to put a horizontal offset of this line, alright, I select the line here. You can see that I've selected the line, it goes all the way up there. Now with your horizontal offset, it's going to offset that line. So if we come down here to our lower bar, we hit the plus, we come down to this one here, profile, plus on the left, little plus on the right. So depending on which one of these select, it will depend which side the offset's going to come off. So if I hit the left one here, you can see it's on the left hand side. If I get rid of that and hit the other way, it offsets in the other direction. So we'll offset the line that much. You now need to decide how much you want to offset your line by. So now you can see we've got a offset of 1 meter from our original line. It's at the same height as that line was created. Alright, if you want to change that and give this offset an angle, we can either do it distance over height, so you can say over 1 meter, you want it to go up half a meter, 5. So let's say we want it to go down half a meter. So we'd hit negative, and you can see it puts in a 0.5 of a meter for every meter. Yep, if I want to change that, I can hit close, it's gone back to a level surface. I can also do it as a percentage. So if I want an angle of 30 degrees, I can just hit in 30. I want a negative angle, so I want a fall, hit enter, and there it is there, 30-degree angle fall. Alright, tick check, alright, and there your offset line is now in there. When you do create that offset line, you need to enable to be measured off, so you click on it, you hit the little green tab here down the bottom to enable surfaces, and we can now measure off that surface. That's how easy it is to create a horizontal offset. Thank you for watching. We hope this video gives you a better understanding of horizontal offsets on Makin’3D. Please like and subscribe to see future MCA tutorials.